Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to be putting a screen protector on this Nintendo Switch. This is the Nintendo Switch OLED, and these are the screen protectors. They're made by this company here. These are glass screen protectors. Let me turn over the packaging so you can see what's on the back here. Here's what's on the back of the packaging, so make sure that you read through all of this information. I'm going to take everything out of the packaging and then I'll be back and we'll go from there. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And I have the Nintendo Switch sitting on the plastic bag that it came in while I do this because I don't want to scratch up the back of the Nintendo Switch while I'm installing the screen protector. Okay, here's what came inside of the outer packaging. We have the installation instruction with frame guide, and make sure that you read through the installation instruction with frame guide before you try to install a screen protector. We have some additional information, and make sure that you read through the additional information before you try to install a screen protector. We have 4 different sets of wipes. The number 1 side is the wet wipe, and the number 2 side is the dry wipe. And then we have 4 sets of a dust absorber, which is this one right here, and then 2 guide stickers. And then we have the remover card, and this is the frame guide. And then this is the plastic case that everything came in. And I'm just going to set the plastic case to the side for now. And we can store everything that we don't use in the plastic case until a future time when we might need it. Okay, so I'm starting with the wet wipe, and I've already started to open this up. The wet wipe is number 1, and I'm just going to use this to clean the screen off. And I'm just going to gently, just going back and forth here and trying to clean the screen. And just in case I need this again, I'm just going to set it here for now. And then I'm going to open up the dry wipe, which is number 2. And now I'm just drying the screen. And just going back and forth, and you really want to take your time because you want to make sure that the screen is dry and also that there is no dust or fuzz or anything like that. And you just really want to take a good look at the screen and make sure that there's nothing on there. And when I'm doing this, I'm not putting a lot of pressure. I'm just being really gentle. You know, I don't want to hurt the screen or anything. And I noticed probably from the wet wipe, maybe it's like leaving some smears on the screen, so I'm just, making sure to go over this with the dry wipe until all of that is gone. And the more I do this, the more of the streaks are going away. And it's looking better and better, but I'm still doing this just to make sure to get all of those streaks out. And then we'll kind of look it over for dust. Okay, it's looking pretty good. I'm going to go a little bit longer here just to make sure to get all of the streaks off. Okay, and I'm going to set the dry wipe back here in case I need it later. But I am going to move the wipes out of the way so we can move on to the next step. And the next step is with the dust absorber. So I'm going to look over the screen here, and actually I see a little bit of streaking right up here, so I'm just going to use the dry wipe again just to make sure to get that off. Okay, I'm going to put the dry wipe away for now. Okay, and the next step is to use the dust absorber. And when you do this, you want to hold on to the switch with one hand because the sticker on the dust absorber is pretty powerful. And you don't want to accidentally lift up the switch and then drop it. So you just want to use the dust absorber to pick up any dust or lint or fuzz or anything else that might have fallen down onto the screen. And you just want to do this carefully. And the screen looks pretty good. And I'm just using the dry wipe again to make sure that all of the streaks are gone. You really want to make sure that the screen is clean before you move on to the next step. You only want to have to do this one time. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next step. So I'm going to set these to the side for now, and I'm going to move over the frame guide. And here it is. And I'm just going to put this on the top of the Nintendo Switch, and you just want to line this up. And then I'm just gently pressing it down until it's all the way into place. And I see a piece of dust or a few pieces here, so I'm just going to use the dust absorber to pick those up. Okay, I've turned the Nintendo Switch this direction because I'm going to install the screen protector from the top to the bottom, and I'm going to peel this off of this side of the screen protector. And after you do that, you do not want to touch this side of the screen protector. You want to put this side of the screen protector immediately onto the Nintendo Switch. And I'm just going to go back over the Nintendo Switch looking for any dust or anything before I install the screen protector. Okay, I probably won't talk much while I do this because I want to focus on what I'm doing, but here we go. And I'm just going to run my finger from this side to this side, like so. And I just did that gently. And I'm just going to gently do that again right here. And then gently again right here, but I'm going to go this direction. Before I take off the frame guide, I'm just going to gently with my finger keep trying to work some of these bubbles out here. That one's pretty much gone, and now we're going to do this one. And that one's pretty much gone now too. Okay, now I'm going to gently remove the frame guide from the Nintendo Switch. And I'm just lifting this up gently. And now I'm going to use the remover card just to look for any of the bubbles that might be in the screen protector and just gently rub them out, hopefully. And I noticed one right here that I'm just gently using the remover card to try to remove. And there's a side that has some felt or whatever this is, and that's the side that I'm using. All right, guys, so I think it came out okay. You can already see that dust is falling on it, and you just really have to take your time and make sure that there is no dust or lint or fuzz or anything like that on the screen before you put the screen protector on. Okay, so I put everything back into this plastic case except the wipes that I used and the piece that I peeled off of the screen protector. Okay, and now I can put this plastic case back into the outer packaging, and then I can store this away until I need it again. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have the time, check out these other great videos.